Hi guys, I'm Tony Alden, and today in this video we are going to do some refactoring in this current buffer, combining the power of isearch, occur mode and occur edit mode. But before we start, if you get value from this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So here we have 9 function definitions that all have a name that starts with foo, followed by a number. And what we are going to do is only to modify the name of the function that have an even number. So to do so, there are many ways to do that, as always in Emacs, but today we concentrate on occur edit mode. So let's say we are in the middle of a search with isearch for the term foo. So here we are searching. Now we can refine the search, or we can also call isearch-occur, which is bind in isearch map with meta s followed by o. So now here we are in a occur buffer. We can continue to refine the search. For instance, if we press dash, we follow the search. If we follow with 6, for instance, we go to foo-6. We can remove. Maybe we want the 1, so we are going to the 1. But we want search more thing here, so we quit the search in the occur buffer. So we quit the search, and now as we are in the occur mode, we can use the letter, the character n and p to use the function previous error no select or next error no select, and you can see at the bottom that we move. As we move on the occur buffer, we move also the cursor in the bottom buffer, the other buffer where we first match the occurrence foo. So here is one of the things that we can do, but the thing now that we want is to modify that line and also that one and the other one. And now what we can do is to press E to enter in the occur edit mode, as we just did. So we are in the occur edit mode, and now we can modify the buffer here as we want, and this will modify the buffer we have at the bottom, the buffer where we started the search in the first place. So now, just so that we can see what happened, let's say we write bar. You see at the bottom bar. So this is modified at the top, but also at the bottom. But now in the occur buffer, as it is a normal text buffer, we can use any of the technique that we have to modify that text, and every modification will be also done in our first buffer where we did the search. And now let's introduce not a trick, but an nd command offered by multiple cursor. So we can, as we want to modify only this one, the even number, we are going to add a cursor here, another here, another here. So now we have 4 cursors on the even number of the name of the definition. We are going to just add even. You see at the bottom that this is also modified. We do it, we quit multiple cursor, and now we also press Ctrl+C to stop the occur edit mode, and now we are again in the normal occur mode, and we can use P and N to see the modification. So maybe we can put this here, and here we are at the first match, the second, the third, and you see we have the changing that had happened in our buffer. Now what we can do is we change the buffer. You can see at the bottom here with those stars that the changing haven't been saved. So if we are happy with the changing, we just have to save them, so they are saved, and we also have to quit the search because we were still in that buffer doing the search. So we did it right now. So we saved, we stopped the search. We should have done that in the other way. First stop the search and save the buffer. So this is what I wanted to share with you today about another way of refactoring in the buffer. If you liked how you are interested in other way to do refactoring in the current buffer, you can watch in the one of the previous video called refactoring in the current buffer but with iEdit mode, and also about a video published yesterday, so that was learn how to temporarily override function definition. So we've talked about flet, advice add, and cl flet. And the thing is that flet is an obsolete function that, as we mentioned yesterday, and GD River Run propose an alternative way to do exactly what we did in the video, but using functions that are not obsolete. So you can see there what we did yesterday can also be done with cl let f, modifying directly the function cells of the function bar. And here I added some comment, but here is the way to do it. So thank you, GD River Run, for adding that comment and complementing that video. So I hope you enjoy this video and have a nice day, great weekend, and see you next week.